Hi guys, it's Leah, welcome to my channel. Hope everybody is feeling very, very well. So today I thought we would do the Lookiero. Toby is my stylist. He's been doing an okay job. He's getting to know me a little bit better. Still a few hit and misses, a bit of tweaking, but overall I'm normally happier with Lookiero. If you don't know what Lookiero is, it is basically a subscription box. You get this monthly. It will cost you £10 per month for a styling fee, but that will be deducted on anything you choose to keep from your box. If you keep all 5 items, you do get I'm not sure if it's 20 or 25% discount. I will leave a link down below. If you care to try Lookiero out, you will get 10% off your first order and I will receive a £10 credit to my order. So it's a win-win situation all round. So this time round from Lookiero, I asked for the blazer, a jumper dress. I think that was all I asked for this time round. So hopefully Toby has fulfilled my requests, fingers crossed. If you like these kind of videos, then please be sure to subscribe to my channel. It's much appreciated. Please don't forget to like the video and also leave your comments. I do welcome them and I do appreciate your opinion and your feedback. It's always appreciated. I will be doing the December giveaway very shortly. I'm a little bit behind on everything due to the fact that I've been so extremely busy and I haven't been feeling my best, hence no makeup today. So I'm really sorry about my appearance, but I had to get this Lookiero filmed in order to get it sent back if I didn't want to keep anything. So without further ado, let's get into my Lookiero. Now I have opened the box because I wanted to take a photograph for my thumbnail. So the box is open, but I haven't opened any of the packages. So when you get your Lookiero, it will be delivered in a nice box like this. Inside, you'll find your paperwork. Your bundles of clothing will be inside. Normally you get 2 bundles of clothing. So this is bundle 1. It's always packaged really nicely. Let's have a look, see what colours we have. Okay, so we've got some nice dark winter colours there. So let's have a look. Okay, so the first piece is okay. I quite like this. This is like a very thin jacket. It's got turned up at the sleeves here. It's got 1 pocket in the middle. The material on this is beautiful. I love it. So soft. We've got a couple of pockets. I quite like this actually. I think it's just like a I don't know, it's like a blazer, I guess, sort of jacket. It's not lined, but the material feels lovely on that. I really do like that. Very nice. Then we have what is this? Just a regular V-neck t-shirt. I like the material on this, it's nice. Yeah, like that as well. 2 out of 2. And then we have, ooh, this looks like a jumper dress. This feels so soft, so amazing. Okay, this is definitely more my style than what I received in my Stitch Fix box. I like the colour, I like the design. There's no flowers or pattern going on in it. Yeah, I really like this. If I'm going to be really nitpicky here, I'm going to say I don't like this. There's like a seam going down the middle here. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to pick that up on camera, but it goes from top to bottom. I'm going to tell you now, I don't like that on here, but you know, I'm going to try it on and see what it looks like. I really do like that. It's nice. Right, okay. And my second bundle. Oh, looks like we've got a jacket. And something else. Let's have a look. Right, okay, so wow, these are like faux leather trousers. What sort of colour I kind of like in this light, it kind of looks like kind of a, well, sort of maybe like a red colour. Does it say on it what colour it is? Because it's bugging me now. Aubergine. I like them. Nice. I don't always find this style is very flattering on my body, unfortunately. But I do like them. Nice. Straight leg. Yeah. Nice. Okay. And then we have, what's this? Oh, okay. I like this as well. I do own one of these in a grey colour. I forget what you call these. I feel like it starts with an F. Does it say what they're called? Oh no, it's a G. It's a. I hope I'm saying this right. They're calling this a gillet. Is that right, gillet? So basically, it's like a waistcoat with faux fur. So yeah, I like that. In fact, I like all this box. I like everything in this box. Fingers crossed it all fits. I'm actually looking forward to the Tryon. Hope you agree that the pieces are rather nice. So, as per, I will go try the stuff on and show you the video. So, be back soon. Hi guys, so as you can see from the try out part of my video, this is the blazer type jacket. I did actually quite like this. I love the feel of it. It feels so soft, so gorgeous. I feel like this is more probably of a spring piece than winter piece. I appreciate it's just something to put on, and you put a winter coat on top. And it does crease like you would not believe. But I am open to this. I do like it. Let me know what you think, guys. Did it suit me or not? Okay, then on to the t-shirt. Again, I love the feel of this t-shirt. It feels so nice. I love v-necks anyway. Fit in all the right places as it was long enough. I like the sleeves, not too long, not too short. I think these are really flattering on my arms. So yeah, there's nothing bad I can say about this. I really do like the t-shirt. Again, let me know, guys. And then onto the trousers. Now, I like the idea of trousers like this, but for me, I just don't think they look really like flattering on me. I prefer coated jeans rather than this kind of faux leather look jean. They just really don't like suit me. They just don't look right. I think they show off my cellulite, and they felt a little bit saggy in the crotch area as well. I don't know if you noticed that on the try on. Love the design. I don't know, they just do not suit me. I don't feel they suit me. Again, guys, let me know in the comment what you kind of thought of that outfit number one. I love the fact that it's a complete outfit as well. Then we had the second outfit, started by the faux fur gillet. Love this. It's got pockets in it. I do own one in grey that does not have pockets. It's nice quality. I like the fact that this one does up. My other one does not. So I really do like this. The only thing that concerns me is, does it make me look heavier than I actually am? So again, guys, you know, let me know. Can I get away with this? I really do like it. And then onto the jumper dress. This is more my style. I do like this jumper dress. I liked it on. I didn't feel it clung to any naughty parts. If there's one criticism I would make for this, is that it's not really thick material. I mean, I think it's quite see-through. But I guess if you paired it up with maybe like a tank top underneath, thick tights, that's just going to give you an extra bit of layering. And I would actually wear this with the waistcoat as well. I think it looked really nice. I think it complemented each other really lovely. So for me, I think I'm sort of like edging towards keeping this for sure. I really did like this on, and maybe the waistcoat. But again, guys, you know, just let me know your thoughts on what you thought looked good and what didn't look good. I always do appreciate your feedback. Okay, so my stylist again was Toby. He wrote me a letter. I like this because they actually do you like a styling card on how to actually wear the pieces, and I really do appreciate that because I have absolutely no idea. So I like the idea that they actually do that. Also in your paperwork, you'll receive styling cards. So obviously that's the little blazer there. That is, what is that? Oh, that's a jumper dress. And then we have the t-shirt and the waistcoat here. Again, I love these and I wish I could use them. I just forget. This is a little card that tells you that if you would like to sign up for Lookiero, I will leave my link down below. You will receive 10% off your first box. I will receive £10 credited to my account. Win-win situation. And I got this as well. Not quite sure what this is all about. This is a Black Friday styling service. Okay, so basically it's got a code on here. If I use the code on my next fix, it's ordered to redeem your price, your Black Friday Lookiero, and we have a special gift for you. Enjoy the styling service for free. Okay, so next time I have a box, I wouldn't have to pay the £10. So I think that's quite a nice touch, and it's much appreciated. And then on to the all-important prices. This is where I tend to get a little bit scared. Okie dokie, so the jacket is by Lindex. So this is like the blazer jacket, I'm assuming. It's model MC and black. This cost £29.99. Do I think that's worth it? I think maybe it could be a little bit overpriced because it's not a proper blazer. And then we had the black top, the t-shirt type. That again is by Lindex. That's £12.99. I think that's well worth the money. That could possibly well be a keeper for me. Then we had the aubergine leggings. They're £38. They are by Oasis. We then had the jumper dress. That's by B. Young. That is for £34.99. And then the Gillett, we had the waistcoat. And that's by Oasis. And that is a whopping £55. The whole box came to £170.97, minus £10 styling fee, minus the 25% discount if you keep all 5 items, which would be £40.24. Takes the whole box down to £120.73. I have to say, I think that is amazing value. 5 pieces of clothing from nice brands. I'm getting to know brands now, like the Oasis. I've had a few bits from them. I've had a few bits from the B. Young, Lindex. So I'm getting to know a few brands. So I think for 120 quid, I think that's well worth it. It's just a damn shame about the leggings. Let's have a think. Guys, let me know what you would do if you was me. Just to update you about the December giveaway. I'm just waiting for it to be delivered, then I'll pop a video up for that. Don't forget, if you like these kind of videos, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. Like, and as always, please leave your lovely comments. I appreciate that too. I'm sorry I've been a bit lapsy-daisy with my videos recently. I've just been so busy. I'm struggling to get everything done, so I've got a lot of balls up in the air at the moment. So I do apologise, but I should be getting back on track very soon. Right, it's my birthday tomorrow, so I'm going to go dye my roots, make myself look gorgeous in preparation for tomorrow's celebration. Whatever you are doing, please have a good time, take care of each other, and I'll speak to you soon. Mwah. Bye for now, take care, bye.